We beautiful people, back in Paris, back with another tremendous vlog. Make sure you hit the like button and enjoy the video.
A good old water fountain. We are going to Notre-Dame. Last time I was in Paris, it wasn't open. Not sure if I'm going inside, but definitely want to see it. Well, some years ago, it burnt down, and it just reopened after they did some reconstruction. So now I'm back. Notre-Dame is open, so gotta check it out. Dang, it's a lot of people over here. We gotta cross the bridge into over the Seine River and get to the old town of like Paris. I think it was like the first little settlement. It's like a little tiny island. Wow, look at all this. In the front. There she is right there. Let me see if I can see the top of it, kind of. A little bit of it. Pardon. So, Seine River. You feel me? People always talk about how Paris is so dirty. And I'm like, man, I lived in New York, man. It doesn't get much dirtier than that. And I'm not talking shit. I love New York, but it's a dirty place. It's grimy. It's kind of part of the aesthetic, right? And here, Paris is a lot cleaner. They do got rats. Ratatouilles. But at least the French ones, they cook food and shit.
They like the soup. They like the soup.
Shut the fuck up!
The rats in New York.
If I walk out of here and the nigga come from behind me out the staircase, hung, it was already supposed to happen.
Listen, nigga, I don't know what kind of gun that is.
No. yo.
I don't know. That's a different kind of gun.
I made a funny.
There she is. Rebuilt after burning down. Hunchback at. Wow. The closer you get, the more beautiful it is. head to coffee shop I've been wanting to go to since I left last time. We're gonna go check it out. I think it's not too far from where I'm at. Maybe like
we don't talk to strangers, we make sure they're strangers. Yeah, if you gang, we ganger. Hold on. Look, we don't talk to strangers, we make sure they're strangers. Look, if you gang, we ganger. Yeah, fly enough to take off. Shit, I need a hanger. Working through the layouts. I need a banker. Yeah, therapy is really getting comfortable with strangers. World be getting stranger way before we knew 11. Boom like 9/11, rest in peace, we can't forget it. Boom like everybody that we lost. Gone in a flash, itching for a bag, I can't sleep like I got a rash. Damn, don't let the bed bugs bite. Toss and turn, live and learn, love or lust. My concern, how I'm gonna ration out my dishes. I'm trying to eat, I'm on a mission. Yeah, so much shit at stake. This the plate they give me. I just made a play, I feel like Shakespeare. Trying to make something shake, I gotta move my hips. Your loose lips sink ships, who the captain is. Look, we don't talk to strangers, we make sure they're strangers. Look, if you gang, we ganger. Yeah. Cartier frames, I spend a lot just to see. Sipping on prescription, we can call it Texas tea. Clay Thompson, how he mix it, I just dropped another 3. It's bumping how he sip it, this shit red, I feel like Kendrick. Yeah, I ain't in the game, bitch, I ain't invented it. They say they like to change, all thanks don't mention it. Yeah, we ain't never had it, that's why we spending it. Heart colder than Alaska, but I be giving shit. Yeah, how you walk around like you don't give a shit? If I got it, I can give a bit. Stack the dividends, tax them crackers, tax that bitch again. Fuck your masters, nigga, get a deal. What it's worth without them? Nigga, get a grip. Say you did it once, then do that shit again. Listen. We don't talk to strangers, we make sure they're strangers. Listen, if you gang, we ganger. Hold up. We don't talk to strangers, we make sure they're strangers. Look, if you gang, we ganger, huh? Yeah.
How about you? Oh, that's a beautiful place. Much warmer than me. Fun your day. Oh, okay, I need help today. I definitely need coffee. Oh yeah, okay. I like it. What's your name?
Oh, brother, can I get an espresso?
Yeah, for you to go?
For here is cool. Good, man. Just happy to be here. Yeah, I travel a lot, yeah. So. I'll leave on Saturday, but I've been here for like almost a week. You from Paris?
From Germany.
Germany? What part?
Like Cologne, like Western Germany, kind of.
What was your name, brother?
Finn.
Finn?
Yeah. What's your
Nice to
name?
meet you. Linux.
Nice to meet you. It's way more open-minded than Paris. Definitely.
Yeah.
Which I was a little shocked about, but whatever.
I feel like the younger generation, they don't mind speaking English.
Sure.
I feel like it's the older crowd that feels a little bit funny about people
I think
speaking English here.
It's not about like, I mean, they speak English well, most of the people, also the older people.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's fine for them, but they like to talk to a French person, like in a cafe, you know?
Yeah.
They kind of expect it sometimes.
It's like they have something so special here, and they kind of like,
Yeah.
I don't
want
know,
to
defend it or keep it a certain way or something. I don't know.
Yeah, no.
That's just what I take from it.
1999.
Fashion gyms right here.
I mean, I love them because you don't see that stuff anymore. Like a lot.
And y'all got a bunch of them.
And like
You said this was the first specialty coffee shop?
I think I'm not sure if it's like the first or one of the first, but I think what I got is like it was like the first one, and it's been like that since like long time. It was out by, I think by an Australian guy before, or like an Asian guy.
Hang on. All right, I meant to include this yesterday in the vlog when I went to dinner. You have to be open to things, right? It's like God will place people in your life at the most random moments to get a message across to you. And man, caught a real good message to the point where I didn't even vlog my dinner. But just wanted to add that to the vlog, man. Be ready for the message, you know what I mean? Be ready to receive, you know, what you seek, you know what I mean? You know, be ready to receive that message, and it may come from someone you least expected at the most random times, you know what I mean? Quick thought. It's been on my mind. I've been getting messages lately about me traveling so much. And I just want to say this. Take advantage of your opportunities when they come in life and be prepared for them. One of the goals of this channel is to inspire people to get out of their city, to explore more, to travel more, and to, you know, the more you travel, the more you get an understanding of the world, and most importantly, you get an understanding of yourself. The more you travel, the more you learn about yourself, right? I just hope people get inspired, and, you know, even if you can't travel as much as I do right now, or maybe you have responsibilities where it hinders you in traveling, I hope that even if you just get out of your city and take a little road trip, take a train, take a bus, do whatever you can just to, you know, open your mind, explore more around you, you know? Also, let me leave you with a quote. I gotta read it because I don't want to mess it up. By the late, great Martin Luther King Jr. You probably know this quote, but I'm gonna say it anyway because I think it applies. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. And I'll just leave you with that. Keep moving forward, you know what I mean? Take advantage of the opportunities. Be open to God's calling and your purpose in life. And explore, man. Explore. Get to know the world, get to know yourself better. I'm out.
Why would you leave it to me? But just leave it to me. Yeah, little Bo Peep in the field. She can go deep, you know, 20,000 leagues. Control them with fear. They holding the reins, they choking the brain, but I know when it's real.